Hello, my name is Angie Rios, and I will talk about a critical incident that I faced a few weeks ago when I was presenting a lesson plan. And I am going to answer the questions. The first one is, why was this incident significant to you? And well, this incident was significant to me because it made me think of the multiple ways to remember every part of the lesson plan that I had already made. The question number two is, what happened directly before the event? Well, I realized that I had forgotten one part of the lesson plan, which was the revision of one of the activities that I had designed for the students. The idea was to share the answers and ask the student if the answers were right or wrong and answer the questions together. Question number three, what happened directly after the event? I was presenting the class and the time was passing really fast, and I forgot to make an important part of the lesson plan. The students were asking so many questions at the same time, and we were facing difficulties in getting the topic understood by the students. How did you react at the time of the event? Question number four. To be honest, uh, that time I felt stressed because I knew that it was an important part of the lesson plan or the class, and it was an opportunity for the student to clear their questions and understand the topic deeply. Question number five. What was your interpretation of this event? My interpretation was that I must consider every step of the class previously planned and consider every activity because it was designed to support the topic and check that the students have completely understood. Question number six. What underlying assumptions about your teaching does this critical incident raise for you? The main assumption is that practice makes perfect. With the time, I will automatically remember every step of the lesson plan. I must reflect on this incident and all the incidents that I will face in the future, and I consider that I will have to change or improve. I mean, with every incident that I face in the future, I will have to consider uh, all the things that I will have to change or improve. The last question is, now that you have reflected on this critical incident, would you react any differently if it happened again? And I think that if happens again, I will make sure to make the part of the activity that was missing, the part of the activity the next class or by the time available, because I consider that it is very important to follow the lesson plan as a guide to remembering how the class will be developed and every activity for each stage of the lesson. Thank you so much for